guys, good evening and thank you for waiting. And syempre, alam ko, marami sa atin sobrang excited for this evening because this is the very first, no, ito yung kauna-unahan na may meet natin, makakasama natin yung CEO natin dito sa Meta Plus. And sobrang exciting ng mga magiging topic tonight because makikita na natin yung buong plano, no, yung vision, yung roadmap, and yung mga other questions with Melon Plus. And hindi ko napapatagalin pa. Let's all welcome our CEO, Sherwin Operio.
Thank you, Rainer. Thank you very much. First of all, thank you very much sa time nyo. And hopefully karamihan naman dito is mga affiliates, no? Wala naman outsiders, no? Okay. So later, we will do a Q&A. I think, Rainer, you can also, may mga nag-raise kasi ng hand. I think pwede silang mag-ask na dun sa Q&A section nito. Meeting na to eh. Okay? So, simulan ko na, hindi ko na patagalin pa. I'm sure most of you are family time today. It's Sunday. Ang topics natin, by the way, ang meeting na to will be probably around 1 hour 30 minutes lang. No? So, hopefully, ma-concise ko siya in 1 hour. Ang topics natin is, ikwento ko, is the short history ng Melon Plus and ano yung plano within the year. Okay? Second, marami kaming nare-receive na questions din about the legalities. So, later, ipapakita ko on how kung ano yung mga legal documents ng company and as well as yung mga entities natin local and abroad. The third one is medyo mahaba-haba to. This is a comprehensive FAQs sa presentation. So most of you or some of you is nagkakaroon pa ng mga dialogue or presentation sa mga prospects nila. So ituturo ko yung mga FAQs, yung mga frequently asked questions. And ipapakita ko rin is ano yung mga nakaplano sa amin right now in the next 6 months. So some of which are baka ma-activate na or maging live na within the next few weeks to next month. No? And syempre, ano yung current vision ng company and yung roadmap natin para ma-hit natin itong vision. Tsaka, lastly, introduce ko na rin sa inyo. Most of you right now probably nagtatanong paano maging merchant or ano yung mga ways on becoming a merchant. Okay. Game. By the way, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang yung mga Q&A. I-open ko lang siya ngayon. So wala pa namang nagki-question eh. So again, may Q&A section dyan. Okay, game. So short history ng Melon Plus. Jeremy, bakit short lang yan? Kasi kaka-start lang natin eh. So hindi pa yan long history. Okay? So we started the idea para may idea kayo paano to nagsimula, kailan to nagsimula, etc. And later pala magbibigay ako ng konting background ko. So way back March 2022, dito nasimulan yung ideation phase. Okay? So I've been in the this kind of industry as well as tech industry, e-commerce, fintech, for the past 15 years na. So I have multiple companies na rin, including mga software and IT. Okay? I've been operating na rin multiple countries. So, syempre, specifically, dito rin sa Philippines. Ang karamihan ng operating yan. Okay? And then, around May, we started na yung mga incorporations nito. So, dito in-incorporate yung company. And we made sure na everything will be definitely legal before kami nag-public launch. So we started all our documents, definitely, sa Hong Kong muna yan. So we need to send a lot of documents sa Hong Kong to make sure na everything will be legal. Okay, later papakita ko yung mga documents na yan para may idea kayo. And we started naman dito sa Philippines kasi kailangan mauna yung sa Hong Kong before dito sa Philippines. But sa dulo kasi, nauna rin dito sa Philippines. But kasi syempre, sa Hong Kong, there's a lot of back and forth na mga documents and minsan meron kaming na-encounter na language barrier. Syempre, Chinese sila doon. Okay. So, syempre, hindi nila nababasa gaano yung mga documents na pinapasa natin. But everything naman went fine naman. Also, nung May din, we started system development for public beta. Okay, right now we are on public beta. Meaning ng public beta sa mga hindi po nakakalam, yan po is ginagawa po yan ng mga companies to make sure na everything will be fine, no? Pag nag-soft launch yan or nag-grand launch. Okay, so dito natin natututunan yung mga limitations ng system and ano yung mga possible adjustments ng system, no? But we made sure na everything will be fine in terms of acquisition ng mga affiliates, no? Then around June, so around June din and May, we started na rin ang warehouse acquisition and renovation. So later ipapakita ko sa inyo, bawal ko pa daw ipakita yung mga warehouse, no? But pwede ko sabihin sa inyo na we have around 7 to 8 warehouses. So yung 7 is existing warehouses to all around the Philippines. So we have 4 in Luzon, 1 in Visayas, and 1 in Mindanao. Okay? And madadagdagan pa to, magkakaroon kami ng isang public warehouse na wherein kasi marami nagtatanong sa amin na kung saan pwedeng dalhin yung product or i-check yung warehouse. So, syempre, karamihan ng warehouse namin, merchants naman yung mga pupunta doon, hindi affiliates. So, pero warehouse. Okay?
The coach Jervin medyo naghang ka. Naghang.
Sige.
For a while.
Ay, sorry, yung
For a while, guys.
sorry I think i-off ko na lang yung video ko, no? Okay. So, clear na ako, Rainer.
Yes, coach.
Sorry, nag-down lang yung internet saglit. Okay, anyways, nandun ako sana sa partnerships. No? So, we started doing partnership with other companies and merchants way back June. Okay? So, hopefully, within the month, makakita na kayo ng mga other products sa loob ng Melon Mall. Okay? Okay. Starting September, sorry. Balik ako sa August. No? So, sa August, we made sure na ready ang affiliate rewards program. So, this is our compensation plan sa mga affiliates. We will start as early, kasi ang internal niyan before was to do payouts as early as September. But baka mauna to, hindi ko sure kung Rainer na-announce mo na, no? Baka maging earlier to, as early as 4th week of August, we will start doing payouts na. Para may idea kayo, Jerwin, bakit natagal yung payouts? This is because of our payment system. Okay? So, gusto kasi namin, once na we do payouts, it's gonna be automated. But right now kasi, we are still integrating with automation in terms of payouts. Kasi pag isa-isa namin yan, matagal yan, and it's gonna be tedious, no? And prone to error. Okay? But if it's automated, mas mabilis yan. No? And then, on September, we will start doing product deliveries na. So, kung mapapansin nyo rin, hindi pa kayo nakaka-order sa Melon Mall. This is because we are still waiting, no, kung paano yung magiging system namin in terms of logistics. So, hopefully, within September, ready na yan because we will do soft launch na. So, we wanna make sure na merong other products sa loob ng mall starting September. Okay? But we will upload new products in the next few weeks na yan. No? So we're preparing na for it. And ang target namin, sorry, mali yung grand launch ko, no? But the target namin for grand launch will be, ko lang to konti, ginalaw ko kasi ito kanina. Okay. So ang balak namin is we will do um, grand launch by December of this year. So, but hopefully, kung mapaaga to, definitely we will announce to. Okay, so that's a quick history ng Melon Plus. Okay, now, let's go with the legalities. No? Again, marami nagtatanong ito. So first, ang madalas na question is, where is Melon Plus Technologies Incorporated? Okay, so Melon Plus Technologies is legally comply and incorporated in Hong Kong. So it adheres to the strict compliance of Hong Kong Government Securities and Exchange Commission. So nakarehistro po si Melon Plus sa Hong Kong. So nagtatanong din sa amin is, bakit sa Hong Kong to ni-register, no? So syempre, as a tech company, it will be beneficial long term, no? So one of which is, if mag-expand tayo to other countries, very ideal if you have an Hong Kong entity, no? Kasi syempre, pag once na you're registered and has an entity in Hong Kong, you comply with other countries as well, okay, in terms of documents and yung mga requirements nila. Okay? Now, question din ng karamihan is, do you have an office in Hong Kong? So, lagi kong sinasabi, yes, because as this is one of the major requirement of Hong Kong government, no, in terms of kapag mag-incorporate ka ng kumpanya sa Hong Kong, kailangan may opisina ka doon. Okay? So, now, next question dyan is, can I go to your Hong Kong office? Okay, so anyone can go to office, as it is a co-working and virtual office in Hong Kong. For now, meetings and appointments will be in the Philippines. No? So yes, pwede kayo pumunta ng Hong Kong. So meron tayong nilabas na address niyan sa Hong Kong. You can go there. But again, virtual office natin yan sa Hong Kong. No? So karamihan ng devs natin, developers natin, the operations na dito sa Philippines. Kasi Jerwin, bakit nyo ginawa yun? It's because it will be very expensive for the company kung ilalagay namin doon sa Hong Kong yung mga developers namin. Definitely, mas mahal ang pasweldo doon and may hirapan kami sa communication. So, dito yan sa Philippines. Okay? So, these are the examples. Ito yung mga pwede ko ipakitang documents. On the left side, this is the Articles of Incorporation ng Hong Kong. Pero ang tawag nila kasi is Articles of Association. Okay, as you can see din, we have hindi naman over. So we have $200,000 investment sa Hong Kong. So yan yung paid up capital natin. So that's about 10 million pesos. No? And ang certificate of incorporation natin, again, in Hong Kong yan. Like I mentioned kanina, we started applying ito as early as May or June, no? But lumabas to August 2. Okay? And ito naman on the right side is yung limited shares ng company, no? So, it's a private company. Nandiyan din yung address niya. Okay? Now, FAQs. Another FAQs nito is, they have an office in the Philippines. So, yes, no? As this is also a requirement of incorporating a company in the Philippines. So, hindi ka pwede magparehistro ng kumpanya sa Pilipinas kung wala kang opisina. So, currently, we have an office sa Las Piñas. Okay? But most of the work are done in our warehouse office. So let's say for example, gusto niyo pumunta ng Las Piñas office, anytime naman yan, pwede rin. Okay? Pero hindi kayo basta-basta makakakyat ng building if wala naman kayong appointment doon sa building na yun. No? So sino ba yung mga tao doon sa building na yun? Most of which are our devs and mga ibang staff mo. But we adhere din kasi, we practice din kasi remote working. So, minsan receptionist lang tao sa opisina, no? But normally, may mga devs kami na nandoon. Okay? So, where is your warehouse? Currently, we have 7 warehouses. So, 4 in Luzon, 1 in Visayas, 1 in Mindanao. Okay? Mapapansin niyo, Jerwin, 6 lang yung sinasabi mo. So, yung isa kasi, soon we will open our warehouse for public visits. Like I said kanina, syempre, karamihan ng mga warehouse namin, pang mga merchants, hindi naman or ano lang ng tao lang pupunta lang doon. No? So, syempre, we do business din sa mga warehouses na yan. Okay? So, but soon, no? Meron kaming tinatayo dito sa Taguig. So, hopefully, within the month of August or early September, pwede na kayong pumunta doon kasi ang sineset up namin doon is gonna be the Melon Plus showroom naman. So, na open for affiliates. Okay? So, what's the entity in the Philippines? So, like I said kanina, hindi ka pwedeng gumawa ng negosyo sa Philippines kung wala kang entity and wala kang office. So, now, ang gamit natin dito is Prime Logics Marketing Incorporated. So, this is the current operating and marketing arm of Melon Plus Technologies in the Philippines. So, registered to and ang opisina nito is sa Las Piñas. Kung makikita nyo rin sa website, gamang makikita nyo dyan, most of the time, karamihan are Prime Logics Marketing, no? So, yan yung ginagamit natin entity dito sa Philippines. Okay? So, can you share about your logistics? So, tinatanong dito sa amin, ano yung mga gamit namin na logistics, no? Currently, we are partnered with JNT, Flash Express, Aguila Logistics, FedEx, DHL, and Lalamove. So, but we plan to add more, no? Kasi syempre, we want to diversify in terms of delivery capacity. So, we currently, syempre, hindi pa naman maganda yung mababa pa lang naman yung volume ng deliveries natin kasi ang deliver lang namin are mostly affiliate cards. So, but eventually, once na gumalaw na yung mga merchants or nagkaroon na ng mga movement sa merchant accounts, definitely tataas yung volume ng deliveries and we want to make sure na we cover majority of the Philippines. No? So that's why we are adding more. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo rin dito, may Lalamove. No? Jermaine, bakit may Lalamove ka? Ano gagawin ng rider? So we will be launching our same-day deliveries din, soon. No? Wherein anything na kayang i-deliver within the day, i-deliver yan. No? So but definitely there will be additional cost dyan. But again, ma-deliver yan within the day. Okay. So can you share about your payment system? So currently, we are using local payment systems such as GCash, Paymaya, and bank transfer. So karamihan sa inyo, karamihan sa inyo, napansin namin are using bank transfer and GCash. No? But we always promote yung bank transfer kasi sa bank transfer, mas walang mga payment fees, no? Unlike with GCash and Paymaya, may mga payment fees yan. So, but in the next few weeks, hopefully within next week or next week, we will accept additional payment channels, including Shopee Pay, 7-Eleven credit cards, 7-Eleven payments, Cebuana Luwilier, at saka other credit cards and debit cards. So watch out for it. Hopefully within the next, I think, latest update yan is hopefully within the week, no? Itong papasok na week na to. But the latest probably is next week. Okay? So this one naman, I'm going to share a much more comprehensive presentation, FAQs. No? So kapag kami nagpe-present kayo, so ano yung mga kadalasan nilang tanong. No? So normally ang tanong dyan is what is Melon Plus? So it is an innovative e-commerce platform with an affiliate rewards program. So marami rin nagtatanong sa inyo, ano difference mo sa Lazada and Shopee and other e-commerce platforms. So the major difference is our affiliate rewards program. Okay, we call it centralized affiliate system. No, so unlike with other platforms, masyadong tedious yung pag-apply ng to become an affiliate. No, and like for example for TikTok, you need X amount of followers, X amount of postings, etc. No? But syempre, a local, a simple Filipino, hindi kayang gawin yung mga ganong klaseng requirements. No? So that's why we call it the centralized affiliate system wherein kami na yung nag-ipag-usap sa mga merchants and we apply to become the affiliate. Okay? So next is what can I buy on Melon Plus? So right now, again, no, hindi pa kayo makaka-order doon pero makakita na kayo ng mga products doon. But eventually, a variety of products from household items to personal care. Okay? So does Melon Plus operates in other countries? So we are only operating here in the Philippines, but we have plans to expand in other countries. So kung tatanungin nyo, Jerwin, bakit hindi ka mag-open sa iba't ibang country? Hindi pa po namin kaya. And syempre, kapag mag-open ka sa ibang bansa, you need additional investment sa mga ganyan, no? Additional manpower and another documentation in terms of legalities. So, pero pupunta tayo dyan, definitely. So, how do I become an affiliate? So, for public beta, a fee of 2,490. So, this is a one-time fee plus 500 peso monthly and 99 peso for the shipping of the affiliate card. No? So, karamihan sa inyo, nagbayad ng 3,089. Okay, so you'll be charged to every affiliate. So, yan yung payment in terms of affiliate. So, next question na, how much is yung subscription fee and para saan ba itong subscription fee na to? Okay. So, 500 pesos po yung every month na fee no, ng affiliates. So, this is to maintain, first is your account. Okay? Server infrastructure, fulfillment and logistics services, as well as customer support, invoicing, payment remittance, and affiliate benefits. So, lahat po yan, ang monthly po natin dyan is 500. Ngayon, Jervin, bakit ang mura 500 lang? Ang dami mong binayarang tauhan. We are using technology and systems no, para ma-downsize natin yung cost niyan. Okay? So, all back office support will be handled by Melon Plus. Okay? So, kami na po yung nag-handle niyan. Let's say, for example, may umorder po sa inyo ng item, hindi na po kayo mamumblema. Basta po nagbabayad kayo ng 500 pesos per month, kami na po yung nag-handle ng deliveries nun, including yung mga, let's say, hindi nagbayad si customer, paano na gagawin? Eh, binenta ni affiliate yan. Okay, kami na po nag-handle nun. Okay, so as long as you are paying at least 500 pesos per month po. Okay. Now, am I just an affiliate of Melon Plus exclusive product? Ang sagot po dyan is no. So, being an affiliate gives you access to being the affiliate of the whole website. Okay? As well as the vendors and products. So, this means that whenever someone uses your affiliate link to purchase an item, you can earn commissions. So, Jerwin, ano ibig mo sabihin dyan? Ang ibig ko sabihin po yan is hindi ka lang po affiliate ng produkto ng Melon Plus. Lahat po ng products, including the website, is affiliate ka na. No? Okay. Si Ma'am City po, nagtatanong lang. Ma'am, meron po tayo dito, question and answer area. Dito sa chat po, pwede po kayo mag-ask ng questions po dyan. Okay, then sasagutin ko po yan. Thank you. Then, how will I know if someone uses my referral link? And then, marami nagtatanong, no, Jerry, paano ko nalalaman yan? So, you can track referrals through your affiliate dashboard. Live po yan. No? So, pag pumunta po kayo sa account nyo, makikita nyo po doon yung affiliate dashboard nyo po. Okay? Sa ngayon po, very comprehensive na po yung dashboard na yan. Okay? But hopefully, in the next coming iteration, madadagdagan po yan ng mga features yung dashboard na yan. No? But sa ngayon, very comprehensive na yan. As far as we are concerned, anything you need or any information you need, nandiyan na sa dashboard. Okay. Next. Is there a standard commission? No? There's no standard commissions. Commissions can go up to 40% depending on product and vendor agreement. Okay. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Let's say, for example, meron kaming partner that can give, let's say, 90% commission. Then, yun yung mapupunta po sa affiliates. No? To give you idea po, hindi po kami kumikita. Ang company, ang Melon Plus, is walang cut sa any commissions na nare-receive ng affiliates. Okay? 100% of the commissions or 100% of the affiliate commissions goes to the affiliate themselves na, no? Okay? So are there training and resources for affiliates? No? Yes, no? Such as this one, no? Such as earlier today, no? Nagkaroon tayo ng mga trainings din today. Melon Plus offers training resources to help you succeed. Okay? And mamaya ikikwento ko ano yung mga next naming program, no? Na next week magla-live. Okay, so how do affiliates earn money? So first, affiliates earn money through selling products within Melon Plus websites. Okay, so yan yung main, no, na negosyo. Magbenta ng products, but This is technically hindi. Okay. So, may tanong si Charles. Mamaya sasagutin ko yan, Charles. Okay. So, yan yung main, no? Kapag kami bumili ng produkto sa iyo, sa website mo, yan na yun. Okay? Affiliates has a unique short link of the website which uses multiple algorithms to detect affiliates and customers. So kami na po, sa system na po, hindi po yan dinadaya. Anything that passed through your account, this account mo, nagbayad using your account, papasok po yung commission sa inyo. Okay? What payment method can I use? So like I mentioned kanina, sa ngayon, transfer GCash and Maya, but within the month, other payment processes na yan. So, are there any physical Melon Plus stores? Okay? Nagtatanong din yan sa amin. So, sa ngayon, wala po kami any Melon Plus stores or shop. No? In case may nag-invite po sa inyo, pupunta ng tindahan nila ng Melon Plus, hindi po kami yun. No? Although we have offices, back office, staff office in Manila, and multiple warehouses across the Philippines. But sa ngayon po, wala po kaming any publicly inviting people to go to our office or stores. In case po makareceive kayo ng mga ganyang invitation, hindi po kami yan. Okay? What is Melon Plus affiliate card? So upon becoming an affiliate, a personalized NFC-enabled card for affiliates to access rewards and exclusive privileges. So nakaka-receive po ng card lahat po ng affiliates ng Melon Plus. Okay? In case po na hindi kayo naka-receive, no? It's either mali po yung address na nilagay nyo or yung cellphone number na nilagay nyo po or yung email. So you wanna make sure na tama lahat ng information na to. Kasi po, kapag po although pera usog, no, wala naman kami nagiging problem in terms of return to sender, pero nadodoble yung gastos namin kasi 2 beses namin i-ship yan. Pero hindi na namin charge sa affiliates. So, kapag kami mga new affiliates po kayo, make sure po na tama yung information niya. Kapag ka nagkamali naman po yung information niya, let us know kagad po, no? May mga chat group po tayo na nandun yung mga leaders po natin na pwede yung kausapin at sabihan. No? Can I cancel my Melon Plus affiliate membership? Yes, you can stop subscribing anytime, no? But hindi po kami nagre-refund ng affiliates or ng affiliate fee at saka ng mga monthly fee. For the main reason is, syempre po, nagbigay na po kami ng affiliate commissions po dyan. Okay? And syempre, pag naibigay ko na sa tao yung pera, mahirap nang bawiin yan. Okay? So, is there a mobile app? iOS and Android will be launched hopefully early 2024. Okay? So, hindi pa po kami available sa mobile app. But we have pending applications na rin po sa mga Apple and Android. Okay? So, are there any shipping fees? So, Melon Plus have a standard same-day delivery fees, standard shipping fees, and yung amount can vary depending sa location, size, and product. Okay? Like, for example, mag-order ka ng ref, no? Alangan 50 pesos lang yung delivery fee. Yan, syempre, mas mahal yan. So, it depends, no, sa sizes nito at saka sa locations nito. Okay? So how does Melon Plus handle product delivery? Currently, Melon Plus uses multiple fulfillment centers. So may mga partner po tayo na fulfillment centers and logistic provider. Yung kanina po nakita nyo are logistic provider po yan. Sila JNT, Flash Express, Lalaro, mga logistics po yan. Pero meron din po kaming fulfillment. Meaning po ng fulfillment, sila po yung nagpapack niyan, nagpa-plastic niyan, no? Okay? So, meron po kaming partners para dyan. And syempre, this is to ensure din na madi-deliver namin ng maayos yung produkto sa customer nyo. Okay? Hindi nyo kailangan isipin yung delivery fee kasi binabayaran po yun ng customer nyo na or nung buyer na yan. No? Okay? Patapos na tayo sa FAQs. So, are there any exclusive brands on Melon Plus? So, yes, no, may mga exclusive Melon Plus products po tayo sa system, okay, sa website. No? So, sa ngayon, ang nilaunch namin is puro health and wellness products. Okay? Currently, 13 po yung produkto na yan. No? Everything will be FDA approved with CPRs po yan. No? So, hindi po tayo magbebenta dyan ng peke or walang documents. No? So, are all Melon Plus exclusive products FDA or NTC approved? Yes, we work with several vendors to make sure that all products will pass through FDA and NTC certifications. So, ano ibig sabihin ng NTC? Sa iba sa inyo, probably first time na rin yung NTC. NTC is the National Telecommunication. So, sila yung government agency po na nagbe-make sure na yung mga mga gadgets are legally sellable in the Philippines. Okay, so may mga NTC certifications yan. Okay, so can I link my Melon Plus account to social media? Yes, of course. No, you can since meron kayong shop link, pwede nyo po yan i-post sa any other social media platforms. Okay. Some of you probably nag-start na boosting, no? Nagbo-boost ng mga content, no, sa Facebook and Instagram. Okay? And nung isang araw may nagkwento sa akin na nag-start siya mag-boost and ang naging fee niya is about 8 pesos CPM niya. So cost per message niya is 8 pesos, no? So gumastos siya ng 260 pesos and then nakapagpa-join siya ng 2 affiliate, no? So you can also do that. Wala nga problema yan, no? And meaning lang nun is nandoon sa range na yun yung mga cost per message na yan. Okay? I think si Rainer will have training in terms of social media posting naman. Okay? So next is, can I sell my products on Melon Plus? Yes, no? By becoming a vendor partner or a merchant partner. Today, actually, we started August 1 to accept merchants na. Okay? And how do I contact customer support? Aside from contacting your leaders or do sa mga affiliates natin, no? You can also reach us sa customer support sa Melon Plus. Okay? We will open our live live. As of now, sabi ni Charles, 5 pesos na po siya. Ayan. Thank you, Charles, sa update. So, 5 piso yung CPM niya, cost per message niya. Okay. So, how do I contact customer support? So, currently, pwede kayo mag-email sa support@melonplus.com. We will open our WhatsApp and Facebook message support within the next few weeks. No? So, kaya nag-hiring din kami for customer support, no? Na tatao dito sa platforms na to. Okay. So how do I become a merchant privilege partner? So you can apply through the website or you can simply message yung mga affiliates natin. Makakarating naman sa amin yung message na yan for sure. Okay, so can I do both an affiliate and a merchant partner and a vendor? Yes. So pwede mo tong gawin lahat. Okay, kaya after nitong presentation ko na to, sa training ko na to, doon tayo papasok sa becoming a merchant. So last question is, are my earnings taxed? No? So yes, there is a 10% withholding tax. No? So withhold po namin yan. And tax will be paid in the Philippines. So sa mga nagtatanong, sa mga walang idea ano ibig sabihin ng withholding tax, ang withholding tax po is kinukuha po namin yan sa income nyo po at binibigay po namin yan sa gobyerno. Meaning hindi po namin yan kinikita. Kumbaga, let's say, for example, yung 1,000 mong earning, 100 pesos po dyan is kakaltasin namin at ibibigay namin sa BIR. Okay, ganyan po ang withholding tax. Okay, baka isipin nyo po, Jerwin, ba't ka kumuha ng 100? Hindi po sa amin napupunta yan. Sa BIR po napupunta. Okay? So, yan po yung mga FAQs natin. So, marami rin tatanong sa akin katulad kanina, what you will see in the next 6 months. No? So, pwede nyo itong picturean at para may receipt kayo, may ebidensya kayo. So, first is more brands will be inside Melon Plus Mall. Okay? faster Melon Plus AI. So yung AI po natin na ginagamit is it detects po lahat ng pumapasok sa system. Okay? Sa ngayon po, gumagamit tayo ng mga uh, gawa natin na AI. At saka syempre, gumagamit din tayo ng mga third-party AI system. No? So, medyo malalim na po na technology yan. Okay? And next is faster payment system. So, yung ibig sabihin po niyan is hopefully within the week, like I said kanina, within the week or next week, makakapag-add tayo ng mga new payment channels. Okay? To give you idea, medyo naging strict sila no, in terms of sa mga payment system. Kasi nga, nagkaroon ng sobrang daming mga scams, etc. So, naging strict sila in terms of due diligence. Okay? So, hopefully, within the week, nakakabit na sa atin yan. Additional local and international payments. Napansin namin na meron kaming mga nare-receive na payment then from abroad. Okay? So, mga OFWs naman, no? Particularly sa Kuwait, Dubai, and I think meron from UK din. So, sa ngayon kasi, they can send the payment through bank transfer lang eh. Kasi pagka meron kami na-receive from GCash, pero kung galing siya sa ibang country, pwede naman yun. But karamihan is through bank transfer. So, we will have additional local and international payment systems. No? Definitely, iba kasi yung mga, kaya hindi namin ito tina-turn on or inactivate kasi mahal yung payment fees nito. Okay? So, hindi siya kaparehas ng local lang ginagamit natin sa Philippines. Okay? And same-day delivery, grocery items, meron na tayong mga kausap dyan in terms of grocery items. Ang nagiging major challenge namin dyan is sobrang daming SKU. Okay, sa mga hindi po nakakalaman, ibig sabihin ng SKU is yan yung dami ng klase ng items per piece, per unit. No? Okay, so next is wet goods or yung mga palengke items. Ilo-launch natin to within NCR lang muna kasi wala kaming network sa ibang probinsya. No? So sa NCR lang po ito magiging available. Very soon na rin po ito. Okay? New partnership with insurance companies. So, meron po tayong kausap right now. I mean, meron tayong ongoing na mga negotiations. But in the next 6 months po, mag-active po yan. Hopefully, ang phase 1 kasi namin will be on September, first week of September. Hopefully, naka-phase 1 na kami dyan. Okay? New affiliates trainings, programs such as how to choose sellable products from abroad. Okay? And how to import from China, Thailand, and Taiwan. Okay? Starting next week po, or baka this Friday po, magkaroon na po kami ng training program po para dyan. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Tuturuan po kayo or i-encourage kayo na mag-check ng product abroad and i-ship dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? Ang kagandahan po niyan is end-to-end na po yan. It's powered all by Melon Plus. Okay? Para may idea kayo, Jerwin, paano yan mangyayari. No? So, one of the reason din kasi, syempre tayo mga nandito sa Pilipinas, no? Naghanap tayo, nag-iisip tayo, paano ba gusto ko magbenta ng product pero hindi ko alam kung anong produkto ang ibebenta ko. Okay? Ano ba itong mga sumisikat na mga product sa TikTok, sa Lazada, sa Shopee, sa Facebook, etc. So, ngayon, magkakaroon po kami ng training para dyan. Tuturuan po kayo paano tumingin ng magiging viral or what's the next product, no? What's gonna be the next big thing. No? And syempre, paano ito dadalhin from other countries to the Philippines, yung pag-ayos ng warehouse, pagbenta sa platform, and syempre yung mga payments, yung mga taxes, custom duties, lahat po yan itatakil dito sa training program po natin na to, na hopefully mag-start po yan this Friday. Okay? Announcement of Melon Plus announcement of Melon Plus Warehouse HQ in Metro Manila. So, like I said kanina, magkakaroon po kami ng warehouse headquarters na pwedeng puntahan po publicly. ng anyone, no? I-open po namin yan. Actually, before, to give you idea, hindi na dapat kami gagawa ng ganyan, no? But when we started early August, marami nagtanong. Okay, so napilitan din kami gawin, no? Siyempre, definitely, it's gonna be big investment for the company as well. Kasi siyempre, warehouse yan, hindi naman mura magpagawa ng warehouse, diba? Okay. So, next is new marketing tools and trainings. So, sa ngayon, nakikita niyo po yan sa dashboard niyo po, sa account niyo po, no? Pero, I think sa ngayon, wala pang laman doon eh. Okay, so, anytime from the week, anytime this week, no, papasok na yung mga laman yan, yung mga marketing tools natin. Okay? And then, new merchant offerings and promos, at saka, syempre, affiliate events. Okay? To give you an idea, this month, meron kaming affiliate events, no? That will happen later this month. Okay? Pero makikita nyo pa lang, pictures pa lang. Hindi pa lahat invited kasi hindi namin kaya accommodate yung dami ng affiliates right now. No? So, but gradually, hopefully, in the next few months, magkaroon tayo ng isang malaking gathering. No? Definitely gagawin natin yan. Okay? Next is, marami tatanong sa akin, Jerry, ano yung vision nyo? From the start until today, paiba-iba yung mga vision namin. No? Kasi syempre, the business is evolving. The market is also evolving. And as well as the merchants. No? So, nagkakaroon ng evolution, no? In the past few months lang or few weeks na. No? So, right now, the vision is to enable users to start a business as fast as 24 hours. Ngayon, Jeremy, paano nyo gagawin yan? Okay, so ito yung roadmap natin for that vision. Everything, again, will be powered by Melon Plus Technologies. So first is to enable the platform. So dyan tayo nagsisimula ngayon. And karamihan, nasa platform na. Okay? The next one is teach how to sell and earn. No? So yan yung mga trainings, etc. Okay? Next is teach people how to import items. Okay? Pwede namang hindi imported items, eh, but the idea is to teach them what to sell. Okay? And next is automation of importation. So, what we want to do is, automated na to lahat. Pagpili mo ng product, pagbayad mo, automated na lahat to from warehousing to, from which country, let's say for example, from China, papunta sa'yo, everything will be smooth na, no, or automated na lahat. Okay? Also, syempre, eventually, you want to automate fulfillment. So, sa mga hindi po nakakalam ang ibig sabihin ng fulfillment, ang ibig sabihin po ng fulfillment is, yan po yung pag-pack, pag-bubble wrap, paglagay ng waybill, at pag-store ng mga produkto. Okay? Fulfillment po ang ibig sabihin yan. No? Okay? Automate selling at saka syempre automate marketing para talagang within 24 hours magagawa mo yung business, no? Kapag kasi hindi mo in-automate lahat yan, tendency niyan, buwan na, hindi ka pa nakapagsimula. Okay? Ngayon naman, I'll jump naman. By the way, punta ako ng ng questions, no? So, nandiyan pala si Professor Vincent Torre Mangola, Data Science Director. Hello po. Magandang gabi po, Prof. Okay. Charles Robles, possible po ba magkaroon ng record orientation para anytime may send sa prospect? I think recorded to itong itong meeting natin ngayon. No? I'm not sure lang if i-open namin to public kasi baka may mga nasabi akong private. Okay. So, I'll stop share lang. And then, okay. So, some of you, or most of you, first time to nakita. Or first time to makikita. No? So, this is our merchant presentation. Para may idea kayo. Kasi for sure, marami kayong kilalang merchant or kayo mismo gusto maging merchant. Okay? Ngayon, ikikwento ko paano ba maging merchant ng Melon Plus. Okay, especially right now na I'm sure most of you excited na and alam na lalaki at lalaki to, no? There's no way na lalaki at lalaki to eh. Okay? To give you idea rin kung gaano nakarami yung affiliates, no? Wala akong exact number, but last Saturday, yesterday, kasi 1 week yung kahapon, I think nasa 2 to 3,000 na yung either naka-reserve or activated, no? So, ganyan po yung dami as of today, as of yesterday. So, ngayon today, hindi ko na alam eh. But again, no, we're very excited in terms of Melon Class, and hopefully, everyone, no, including kayo, lahat ng affiliates, will benefit, okay, on this platform. Okay? So, merchant presentation. So, Melon Plus is an e-commerce multi-vendor marketplace platform. Ibig sabihin po ng multi-vendor is marami pong pwedeng maging vendor. Okay? It connects a vast network of affiliates, buyers, and merchants. Okay? Platform po ibig sabihin yan. Okay? Ang kinoconnect po natin ng Melon Plus are affiliates, buyers, and merchants. Okay. Using innovative solutions, advanced technology, and customer-centric approach, we provide seamless online marketplace for merchants to showcase their product and grow their brand. Okay? Tatlo po ang core heart ng Melon Plus. Ang yung tatlong yan. In terms of merchants, una is our omni-channel voucher system. Kikwento ko po kung ano ibig sabihin yan later. May excite kayo dyan. Okay? Sumunod po is our e-commerce marketplace. Yun po yung nakikita nyo ngayon na Melon Plus Mall. At pangatlo po is our affiliate program. Yan po yung tatlong heart ng e-commerce platform natin. Okay? So, yung tatlo rin po na yan ang pinapalakas namin in terms of IT system. Okay? Yan yung core natin eh. Okay. Next, ano ba ang landscape ngayon ng e-commerce? Okay, some of you probably may e-com business or may kilalang may e-commerce or nakapag-e-commerce na. No? So, right now, e-commerce is challenge, no? Kasi nga, yung mga tao, mas gusto na nila pumunta ng mall or pumunta ng offline stores, no? And syempre, customer purchase behavior is nagbago significantly, no? And influenced by regular promotions and sales. So, bumibili lang yung mga tao kapag may sale, no? And customers are looking for personalized experience. Minsan gusto nila yung pinapakita sa nila kung ano yung magandang bibilihin. Parang ganito, parang sa TikTok, I'm sure some of you or karamihan sa inyo nakabili na sa yellow basket, no? So, ganun na kasi yung approach right now. It's more on the personal approach. Okay? Hindi na siya yung pinost mo, tapos aantay ka ng bibili. Hindi na ganun. So, nagbago na rin pati yung way of selling. That's why sumikat yung mga live selling, TikTok selling, etc. So, yan yung e-commerce landscape right now. And ina-address natin yan through our affiliates. Okay? So, what set us apart? No? Melon Plus is a go-to platform for premium quality products at a competitive price. So, ang binibenta lang po ng mall natin, okay, is designed for premium and authentic products at a factory price. Okay, ang binibenta po natin sa Melon Plus are all original and as much as possible, factory price. Kumbaga, kung i-compare mo to sa iba, it's gonna be an outlet store. Okay? Kung pupunta po kayo sa Nike Pampanga, kasi doon ang outlet store ng Nike, kasi mura yung mga sapatos doon, tapos pumipila kayo ng kahaba-haba minsan para lang tumingin, tapos wala namang bibili nyo. So, yan po yung positioning yan. No? So, three key positioning ng Melon Plus is premium quality items, competitive price, powerful affiliates program, and yun nga, innovative voucher system. Okay, so, ang brand positioning po natin is basically, Kung makikita mo itong chart na to, high authenticity sa taas. Ibig sabihin ng authenticity is yung original, no? Low authenticity sa baba and high price, low price sa kaliwat kanan. Okay. So, ang Melon Plus po is nandun tayo sa low price, high authenticity. Okay? So, that's why sa Melon Plus po, meron po kaming in terms of accepting merchants, we want merchants na original yung mga merchant, I mean, original yung mga items nila, no? As much as possible, ayaw natin magpasok ng mga fake or yung mga counterfeit items, no? Kasi, syempre, kami rin ang mahihirapan in terms of customer service. Kasi syempre, pag naka-receive ka ng fake, kami ang mananagot doon. Okay? So, yan po yung positioning, no? But syempre, anywhere ka naman dyan, wala namang problema. Like for example, sila TikTok Shop, Lazada, Shopee, etc. on other companies, wala namang mali sa positioning mo yan. Okay? Okay. Now, hindi ko na to patatagalin pa itong affiliate program kasi all of you knows this and hopefully all of you meron na ring affiliate cards, no? So, NFC yan, no? To give you, ano rin, no, para ma-excite kayo dito, currently, hopefully within the next month, September or October, meron na rin tayong partner gym, tsaka car wash. Okay? Ito siguro maganda to makwento ko sa inyo. No? So, ano yung difference natin sa ibang platform? So, first, sa ibang platform, is tedious yung application for each brand or product. Okay? Marami kang kailangan documents, papeles, etc. No? Then, no to fixed commission fees. Okay? No retention rate on affiliates. Affiliates come and go and too many requirements. Okay? So, Melon Plus handles the application of affiliate to all brands. So, automatic niyan. Whenever we partner with brands, automatic na yung kasama kayo lahat doon. Centralized affiliates program, adjustable commissions for each product. So, na-adjust po yan ng merchants. Okay? Strong affiliate rewards program. Meron kasi sa system that retains affiliates. So, free posting and viral videos from Meron Plus influencer affiliates. So, meron tayong influencer affiliate system, low marketing costs, and no extra fees to recruit affiliates, and open for cross-platform promotions. Okay? May tanong dito about subscription blocks po. Ano po nangyayari kapag nag-stop subscription o do we need to pay yung months na hindi nakapagbayad? Sir RV, kapag po nag-stop kayo ng subscription, madi-disable po yung account nyo. Okay? Can we link our Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop? TikTok Shop. As of now, ginagawa po namin yan for voucher system. So, Prof, kapag may questions po kayo dito, pwede po kayong mag-offline na message sa amin po, no, para ma-assist namin kayo. But yes, we accept cross-platform promotions. Okay, kung ang product mo is nasa ibang platform, pero make sure lang na sa amin bibilin yung vouchers na yun. No? Okay? Now, 2 ways to become a partner. So, first way is merchant store partner. So, ito naman, ang ibig sabihin nito is store partner ka ng system. Meaning, meron kang sarili mong store. Products and merchandise onboarding. Yan. Kumbaga, nagbebenta ka mismo sa Melon Plus Mall. Okay? The second one is merchant voucher partner. So, partner ka namin as a voucher provider. So, meaning, nagbebenta ka po ng voucher. So, pwedeng discount voucher, event ticket voucher, gift cert, or item voucher. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Let's say, for example, meron kang tindahan sa Divisoria, for example. No? So, pwede mo ibenta sa amin yung voucher para pag pumunta sa'yo yung affiliate or yung buyer, pwede niya i-claim na lang yung item sa inyo. Okay? So, that's our merchant voucher partner. So, benefits niyan is, first is, kung ay sa baba, it's omni-channel. Meaning ng omni-channel is it can work both online and offline. Okay? So, allows purchase online but use or pick up in store. So pwede po yan bilhin sa amin at i-pick up po sa tindahan nyo po or sa restaurant nyo or sa spa nyo, etc. Pwede po yan, no? Disbursement of free vouchers to our affiliates. So, as a merchant, may access ka po kung gusto nyo pong mag-market sa mga affiliates, pwede po ninyong gawin yan. Let's say, for example, meron ka pong simpleng coffee shop sa Quezon City at gusto mo ng additional customer, okay, so you can create your vouchers and you can simply send it to lahat ng affiliates ng Melon Plus. So lahat ng affiliates ng Melon Plus makaka-receive ng voucher and they can go to your store and avail that voucher. Okay? So pwede po ninyo gawin yan as a marketing tool po ng merchant. Okay? And syempre, ang benefit niya ng affiliates is marami silang vouchers. Okay? Again, dito po, hindi kami kumikita dito. Hindi kumikita po si Melon Plus din kasi dumidiretso po lahat ng vouchers sa affiliates. So, ano po yan? Benefit po yan ng affiliates. Okay? So, selling of vouchers to our affiliates and consumers. So, pwede rin po kayo magbenta niyan. Increase brand awareness. Free promotion for the brands. By the way, take note ko lang dito the selling of vouchers to our affiliates and customers. Meron po kaming tedious din po na application para sa mga merchants. Okay? Sa merchants po, medyo strict kami in terms of making sure na original yung kausap namin. Okay? So, kasi syempre, ayaw namin silang magbenta ng kalokohan sa system. Di ba? Baka mamaya nagbenta ng voucher tapos hindi naman pala available yung item. Di ba? Okay? So, influencers or affiliate contents produced in-house or by affiliates. So, kapag kami affiliates na gumawa ng mga content about sa inyo, free yan, free promotion yan sa inyo. Okay? Can hold events and marketing activities for Melon Plus cardholder. Okay? Ang mga merchants din are allowed to invite affiliates sa mga store promotions nila or sa mga store events nila. Okay? So, let's say, for example, meron kang event, let's say, sa isang restaurant, and gusto mo mag-invite ng mga affiliates, pwede yan. Okay? Agnostic use of vouchers allowing in-store and online claiming. So, like I said kanina, pwede mo bilhin yung voucher and i-claim mo sa store. And syempre, flexible voucher visibility. Okay. Other benefits pa ng mga merchants. So, low commission fee, adjustable affiliate commission. So, na-adjust po yan as a merchant. Merchant central account. So, ito po yung magiging account ng merchants. Okay, minimal fees on fulfillment and logistic, shipping, smart notification, seller dashboard, voucher system, analytics, affiliate rewards program. So, eventually kasi yung mga points nyo po sa affiliate rewards program is pwede nyo na pong gamitin pambili. Okay? Pero hindi pa po yan live. Then, sa cash flow naman po, fast cash disbursement. Weekly po kami nagdi-disburse sa merchants. Okay? So, hindi po kami nag-hold ng pera dyan. Okay? Siyempre, si merchant, kailangan din ng cash flow. Okay? Then, libre po ang pagsali sa mga piso sale, payday sale, double-digit sale. Libre po yan lahat. Okay? Ito po yung mga binabayaran ng ating merchants. Okay? Again, sa mga sa inyo po, in-invite namin kayo to become part of our merchant journey ng Melon Plus Mall. So, payment fee is 2.24%. So, standard po yan. Platform commission, hindi na po yan 1%, 2% po yan. Okay? Bakit kaya ito naka 1%? Okay, 2% po yan. Then, minimum affiliate commission is 1%. It can go as high as 40%. It's up to you po. Fixed fee on same-day delivery sa NCR. No risk, so low to zero risk for merchants. Wala pong bayad ang merchants sa Melon Plus Mall. Kasi lahat ng fees nila, dumidiretso po yan sa affiliates. Okay, unlimited store product. So kahit ilang SKU po, i-handle po namin yan. Marketing and ads. So kasama na po, libre po yan. Affiliates, live sellers. So meron po tayong mga magla-live selling. Sa system po yan. Hopefully by November or October, live na po yan ang system na yan. Affiliate management, to join monthly sales promo, and syempre, yung merchant central account, libre po yan. Okay? So, marami rin nagtatanong sa amin na, Jermaine, paano nyo ginagawa yung inyong fulfillment po? Okay? So, pagdating sa fulfillment po, tatlong klase po yan. So, una is dropshipping, consignment, and first and last mile. No? So, ibig sabihin ng dropshipping po, merchant po yung nagpapadala ng orders, no? Nag-fulfill ng orders. So, order kayo sa system na meron plus small, merchant po yung nagpapadala ng item. The second one is consignment. Ibig sabihin po ng consignment is Meron Plus can fulfill the orders for the brands with corresponding fees. So, ibig sabihin po niya, nakatago na po sa amin yung mga items po. Okay? So, yan yung kinikwento ko sa inyo kanina about warehouses. Okay? So, dyan po kasi dinadala yung mga produkto ng merchants. Okay? Na gusto magpa-consign. Okay? For first mile and last mile, Melon Plus will pick up the item from the seller and deliver it to customers with corresponding fees. Okay, so kung for example, Jermaine, ayaw ko i-consign, gusto ko nandito sa akin yung mga items ko, pwede po yun. No? Pero once na pick up na po namin yan sa inyo, meron po yung mga corresponding fees. No? At mali-deliver yan sa saan niyo po, sa customer niyo po, or sa B2B po. Okay? This is a sample computation po ng dropshipping. So sa dropshipping po, ang selling price for example is 1,000 and ang platform is 2%. Dito sa example na to, ang affiliate commission is 1% lang. Pero again, no, it can go as high as 40%. So, ayan po yun. Let's say 10 pesos yung affiliate commission. Payment platform fee is 2.24%. So, that's 22.40. So, merchant revenue po dyan is 947 pesos po. Okay? Okay, let's say for example, on the side naman ng affiliate, since marami sa inyo is affiliate, kung mabenta po yung product na sinishare nyo, okay, so sa kada order po niyan, kung for example, 1% po yung earnings nyo, so 10 pesos each po yan, kada may going to sa inyo. Okay? Pero again, no, this is just an example ng isang item. Pero kunwari, nag-shopping siya ng maraming and link mo yung ginamit, ano na yun, syempre tataas yun. Okay. Ngayon, gaano katagal ang process niyan? So sa ngayon kasi, since konti pa lang naman ang merchants na ka-deal namin, application form, application approval, account creation, and upload products, product approval, so ina-approve din po namin yung mga products. So again, no, aside from approval ng merchant, ina-approve din namin yung produkto nila. So kasi para maiwasan natin yung iba yung kumpanya niya, pero binibenta niya, ibang kumpanya rin. So iniiwasan natin yan. Okay? And syempre, start selling na. The cash dispersed namin is 7 days after delivery completion. So yan yung hinuhold namin yung money. We want to make sure na na-receive ng customer nila yung item before nila ma-receive yung pera. Okay? Then, ganun din sa merchant vouchers. So, may application form po kami dyan, application approval, account creation, then create voucher, voucher approval, then pwede na siya agad mag-giveaway na vouchers niya. Or you can start selling na agad. So, ang target namin dito is within 2 to 3 days, nakakapagsimula na sila magbenta. Okay? So, basically, that's Melon Plus Merchant. Okay? Siguro sasagot na ako ng mga questions, no? Okay. Meron ba kayong questions? Rainer? Nandiyan ka ba, Rainer? Ayan, si Gis. Sir, i-type niyo po yung question niyo para ano tayo. Pag may question ka, JLS po ba ito? Official. Ayan. If we publish our product, automatic po ba may logistic pupunta sa store to pick up? Yes po, Prof. Meron po, ano yan, ang tawag po namin dyan. It depende po kasi kung ano yung pipiliin nyo. Kung dropship, consignment, or first mile and last mile. Okay? But I think the best dito, Prof, is dun kayo sa dropshipping. Wherein every time may umorder, kayo mismo yung magpa-facilitate ng logistic at fulfillment. Mas mura po kasi yun compared dun sa first and last mile. Kung gusto niyo po kami yung pumick up, pwede rin po. Kaya lang again, no, may fees yan. Opo, Prof, physical products, yes po. Okay. So, for example, nagbebenta po kayo ng relo, for example. So, ito pong watch na to, let's say, binili ni Rainer. Pag binili ni Rainer, manonotify po kayo doon ng name, address, tsaka mobile number niya. Okay? Then, pwede nyo na po ipadala sa kanya. Okay. Then, meron po kami doon na i-input nyo lang po yung tracking number para ma-detect yung tracking number. Para anytime pwede po i-check ni Rainer yung tracking number po na yun. Ask ko lang for dropshipping, ilang days po ang hold ng pera sa wallet? Okay. Ang usual po namin sa ngayon, ang standard namin will be 7 days upon completion and delivery. Kapag ka naman, syempre, pag volume na yung order sa'yo, definitely pwede natin i-negotiate kung kinakailangan na mabigay sa'yo kagad yung cash flow. No? So, pwede
Coach Jerwin, baka ang question niya yung about sa earnings nila sa dropshipping.
Okay. Sir, ask ko lang, dropshipping, ilan days po ang hold ang pera sa wallet? Okay. Once na nagkaroon na ng completion ng delivery ng item sa customer, sabay po yan makaka-receive ng pera si affiliate at saka si seller. Okay. So, technically, walang hold do, meaning pagka-receive mo, pwede mo na kagad i-redeem yun. Okay? Sir, ask ko lang if kailan po yung training for ads. Rainer, kailan tayo magkakaroon ng training for ads?
This week po. This week. Naka-schedule na. I-post na lang.
Okay. So, this week yan, yung training for ads. Okay. So, dalawa ang hopefully, I think 3 magiging training this week. Meron din po kasi kaming, na-mention ko kanina yung how to choose sellable products from abroad, tsaka yung how to import from China, Thailand, and Taiwan. Meron yan. May tanong dito, do we have list of specific products allowed to be sold by aspiring merchants? Meron po kaming list, pero kung may product po kayo dyan, by the way, nasa terms and condition namin po yan yung policy. Ang iniiwasan lang namin is mga alcohol, syempre, hindi pwede basta-basta magbenta niyan. At saka mga sigarilyo, pwede yan. So, syempre, yung mga illegal items, hindi pwede yan. Tsaka explosive. Okay? Pero meron po kaming merchant policy po para dyan. Maraming tanong nga. Is Melata sell boost our store or products? Okay. Yes po. So, both po ang Melon Plus and affiliates po is tumutulong to boost your store. Okay? So, how do we naman sa Melon Plus? Ang kagandahan right now, Prof, is wala pa po kami gaanong products sa loob ng system. So, siguradong kayo yung mababasa ng algorithm lagi. Okay? So, pero syempre, eventually, kapag dumami yung products dyan, aanihin na yan algorithm, no? Ayusin na yan ng algorithm kung sino yung mga ipopromote niyang product. But as of now, konti pa lang kasi or papasok pa lang yung mga products. So, yung mga mauuna, sila yung siyempre makaka-benefit ng algorithm na yun. Okay. Could we, affiliates, be allowed to sell in-house products of Melon Plus outside the platform? As much as possible po, hindi po namin ina-allow yung pagbenta outside the platform. Pero ang question mo kasi dito, there's a chance to sell products using other platforms such as Facebook online. So, as long as po na yung product po is hopefully binili sa Melon Plus Mall, yes po. Nasagot ko ba yung tanong mo, Mark? Okay.
And siguro coach, clarification lang. Siguro ang question niya regarding sa like magpo-promote sa TikTok, sa YouTube, Facebook, tapos naka-link lang yung yung Melon Mall link niya. So parang magpo-promote siguro siya sa Facebook ng products.
Of course.
Pero hindi mismo sa Facebook bibilin. Parang ganun nata.
Okay, of course, pwede yun. Pwede yun. As long as, again, no, sa platform binili yan. I mean, sa platform nila bibili. Okay. Paano po, sir, kung di makapag-subscribe ng every month? Okay. So, like I said, no, pagka po hindi kayo nakabayad ng monthly subscription, madi-disable na po yung account nyo. Okay. So, hindi po kayo magkakaroon ng affiliate rewards. Okay. Kasi, disabled na po yung account. Okay? So, make sure nyo po na nakakabayad kayo ng monthly para po doon. Okay? Paano mo subscribe? For trainings and join official affiliates sa Tubac. Yung iba naming training and orientation, open to public po yan. So, specifically, yung mga how to import, it's going to be eventually open to public. Pero sa sisimulan po yan for affiliates only. Okay? As affiliate monthly goods naman. Asa na pwede, dapat po ba monthly ang consumer goods? Hindi po 2,990 yung monthly, 500 lang po, Sir Neil. Okay. Kung ma-disable account, pag hindi nakapag-pay, sample this month, nakapag-pay, okay. Hindi po, Sir Frederick, yung question nyo, ang question nyo is pag nakapag-pay ng subscription, sample this month, pero kung makapag-pay ulit subscription the following month, automatic po ba ma-activate? Hindi po. So, kailangan nyo po kaming kontakin yung customer support para sa case-to-case basis na mga ganito po. Okay? Hopefully, nasagot ko, Sir Frederick. I mean, like sitaw, ang freezing money nila is 15 days. Kaya marami din lumipat sa shop to you kasi 3 days lang freezing. Pwede pa ma-input ulit. Dito po sa meron na 7 days. Yes po, 7 days po yung pinapractice natin na kung ang tawag po is freezing ng money, yes po, 7 days. Okay? Tabatan ito
kung ko lang po.
Sige, go.
Yung about kasi sa sitaw kasi investment investment platform wherein pag nagpasok ka ng pera sa sitaw, wala ka na gagawin right after, tapos merong mga automatic orders kang ma-receive. So dito sa Melon Plus, ikaw mismo yung magpo-promote ng product. Ikaw yung magbebenta ng product. And then, lahat ng mga orders mo, day by day, pag meron ka orders today, tomorrow, or the next day, automatic yun, marireceive mo kaagad yung commission. Tapos wala nang freezing. Meaning, kung ano yung na-receive mong income today, automatic, pwede mo na kaagad din Encash. So wala tayong pag-hold ng any commissions. Ayun, Coach.
Okay. About TikTok Shop, Lazari, sir, when po ang schedule ng training? About sa TikTok Shop. About TikTok Shop, hindi po kami mag-train ng TikTok Shop. Mag-train na po kami ng ads posting po. Okay. Permission to be posted. Sige po, Sir Geraldo. Is there prompt or reminder of use whenever? Yes po, meron po, Sir Mark. System generated po yung email, makaka-receive kayo ng email for reminder. Kino-connect na rin namin yung SMS para maka-receive kayo ng SMS. Okay? Is there a prompt? Yes po, sir. So, may deactivation period is is not able to Sir Neil, so may deactivation period if not able to subscribe. Again, Sir Mark, technically, hindi po namin ina-allow yan, no? Yung mag-skip ng subscription kasi ang system is automated yung, especially sa subscription box, no? Automated yan eh. Pagka hindi ka po nag-subscribe, meaning makikita siya ng system as hindi na to subscriber. Okay, ini-disable na niya yung account yun. But, may mga cases tayo na pwede natin gawan na paraan in case lang, no? But again, hindi po to ina-allow ng system. Okay? So, same yun ang tanong ni Alvin din. Okay? Prof, pag na-disable ako dahil hindi ko na nagtatubo lahat ng ways to earn. Yes po, kasi ma-disable po yung affiliate link niyo po. Pero pagka may pera pa po kayo or may points pa po kayo sa account, no, definitely, pwede niyo po i-redeem yun. So, let's say, for example, na-disable na yung, hindi kayo nakapag-subscribe, pero meron kayong, let's say, 10,000 points, no, sa account niyo, pwede niyo po i-redeem yun at any time. Okay? So, yun, Sir Beg, no? I think, pwede ko ba sabihin, Rainer? Pwede ko naman siguro sabihin. I think,
yes.
Okay. Yung first 200, ipapadala na within the next. Kailan ba yun?
Coach, yung first batch natin, lahat ng mga nag-activate since private and beta, mapapadeliver upon this coming Wednesday na.
This coming Wednesday. Okay. So, yun, nasagot.
So, lahat na yun, lahat.
Talaga, lahat na? Okay, that's nice, no? So, para may idea rin kayo, Sir Beg, no? So, ang tanong kasi yung Jerwin, bakit na-delay ka sa pag-deliver ng product? At nauna yung card. One reason is, hindi namin na-consider yung paglagay ng seal doon sa sa takip ng packaging. Okay? So, syempre, ginawa pa yung seal na yun. Okay? And it took time para gawin yung seal na yun. Kasi custom built yung mga packaging natin. Kumbaga, minolde yan specifically para sa atin. So, hindi available yung mga seal na nabibili kung saan-saan. So, custom made din yung seal na yan. Okay? Kaya medyo na-delay ng kaunti. But again, on Wednesday, hopefully, ma-distribute na lahat yan ng free items. What will happen to... Okay, wait lang, ikusin ko dito. Wait lang, tumadami. Pero pare-press naman. Okay, maganda yung, okay, pare-pares lang yung tanong, no, in terms of subscription. Again, no, pwede, para mas mabilis yung, yung way nyo is, upon signing up, no, pwede nyo na ito makita sa system, na pipili na kaagad kayo kung 1, 3, 6, or 12 months yung gusto nyong bayaran. Okay? Then, meron din kayo makikita sa system, eventually, na pwede kayo mag-upgrade ng months para make sure nyo na every month hindi na iniisip yung subscription. Okay? Paano malalaman ang due date? No? So, the best niyan is kung ano yung araw ng join mo, yun din yung araw ng last day mo ng pagbayad. Okay? Let's say, for example, it's gonna be August 1. So, make sure mo before September 1, paid ka na. Sir Neil, we will, we will consider yung suggestion mo. But right now, the system, yung algorithm ng system is na-detect niya pagka hindi ka nag-subscribe is disabled madi-disable yung account mo. Sir Irvin, well ba? So what if hindi pa nakapag-earnings? Paano makakabayad? Sa ngayon, the best niyan is really to do the business, no, Sir Irvin. Okay. So it's either, again, no, it's either you sell the product or through affiliate referral. So pwede yan. So okay naman may ibang Gcash thing lang. Of course, Sir Charles, no, pwede kayong mag-avail ng package gamit ang ibang Gcash account. Yes. Okay. Tanong ni clarification si Sir Mark. Just a clarification po, we are prohibited to sell in-house products of yes po, prohibited po yan, no? If ever we have our own stores there. Yes po, no? Iniiwasan natin yan kasi syempre exclusive natin yan, Melo Plus products din. Okay? We are only allowed to promote products, correct po, using our respective Melo Plus Bon links in other platforms such as TikTok, Facebook. Yes po, tama kayo, Sir Mark, naintindihan niyo po. Yes po, Sir Angelo, in terms of auto-debit, credit card sa mga renewal, yes, meron, magkakaroon yan definitely. Para may idea kayo, yung mga application kasi in terms of mga ganitong klaseng subscription, medyo mahaba yung process niyan. Okay? And nire-require kami ng mga bangko, specifically mga credit cards, ng volume of transactions. Okay? So, nagkakaroon ng chicken and egg nga yan. So, kaya tayo nakapag-public beta ngayon para may ipakita kami sa kanila na ito yung dami ng affiliates namin and we need that type of service. Okay? Sa tanong ni Mark Yamsuan, no? So, kikita pa rin po ba ako kahit wala po ako na-invite na bumili? There are ways, but syempre hindi namin to pinopromote. Hindi namin ini-encourage to. Syempre, para tong tindahan, kailangan mo syempre gawan ng magkumayod kahit konti, no? Para lumago yung negosyo mo. Syempre, hindi naman to investment na paluwagan na lagay mo yung pera mo tapos gusto mo antayin lang yung pera. Hindi ganun, no? So again, no, yung kikita, hindi ko magagaranti yan, Sir Mark. Hindi ko magagaranti. Pero possible, baka biglang may mag-click ng link nyo at bumili, hindi natin masabi. Okay. I mean, to be back as an affiliate. Kasi di ba kanina na-mention na apektado lahat or automatic ang subscribe. So, paano earnings? Sir Neil, ang lahat po ng earnings nyo dun sa day before kayo nag-disable yung account, marireceive nyo pa rin yun. Ang madi-disable lang po is yung affiliate link nyo po. Meaning, kapag kami nag-click pa nung link na po na yun, hindi na po yun working. Or hindi na rin po pumapasok sa inyo yung commissions from that link. Okay? Pero yung account nyo po, active pa po yung account nyo in terms of makikita nyo pa rin yung dashboard nyo. Meaning, ma-withdraw nyo pa rin yung lahat ng points po. Ayan. Sir Mark, nagtanong lang naman po. Yes. Hopefully, nasagot ko. Yes po, Neil, Sir Neil, but we can go back as an affiliate. Yes, of course, pwede po. So, but ang challenge dito, Sir Neil, is kailangan nyo na po gumawa ng bagong account po yan. So, sa subscription box po, so make sure nyo po na ma-monthly, nyo po yan, na ma-monthly subscriber to maintain that position din as well. No? So, kung strategic yung position nyo, maganda ma-maintain po yan. So sa ngayon po, siyempre karamihan dito sa room, no, strategic yung mga positions nyo kasi nauna yan sa subscription box. Okay. Hopefully, Sir Neil, nasasagot ko yung questions mo. Okay. I think we last question, then we can end na, Sir Rainer, no? Hopefully nasasagot ko. Ay, Sir Rainer, question. Meron ba tayong training on how to invite?
Hello. Yes, Coach, meron.
So, Sir Mark, ayan, meron tayong trainings, no, on how to invite. Actually, Sir Rainer, question, yung bang natin, lumabas na yung mga marketing tools natin sa dashboard nila?
Ngayon, Coach, bali sa mga group chat, nakaspread yung Google link natin, Google Drive.
Nandoon pa lang. Okay, very good. Pero papasok na yan sa system eventually. Okay. Then next is, sige, tapusin lang natin itong mga question. Yun, tama, Sir Neil. Dapat mong ma-maintain talaga. Okay. Sa tanong ni Mark, maganda yung tanong ni Mark ni Twitter. Sir, ask ko lang regarding sa subscription box, saan po manggagaling yung spillover through upline na invite or isang line lang kahit sa company? Medyo tricky yung question mo, pero ang spillover is manggagaling both sa upline and company. So hopefully nasagot ko yan, Mark. Ang spillover is galing yan ng uplines in company. Free po ba training? Yes, Sir Neil. Lahat po ng any Melon Plus trainings will be free for all affiliates. So kasama po yan sa binayaran. Ang hindi lang po kasama, syempre, kung may event tayo tapos may kainan, syempre may entrance fee yun. Pero yung mga ganito po classic training, yes po, libre po yan. Okay, I think okay na, nasagot natin lahat. Again, I want to invite everyone na gustong magkaroon ng merchant account or magbenta sa loob ng Melon Plus Mall. Ang platform po ng on trainings, ito po, normally ang ginagamit natin is Google Meet. Ang venue natin madalas for trainings. So, hindi po tayo gumagamit ng Zoom or any other. Google Meet po. Okay? Kasi dito po, mas sanay kami sa system and nare-record namin, pumapasok po sa sa main servers po namin. Okay? So, again, I want to invite everyone to be part of Melon Plus Mall to become a merchant. Okay? So, we are officially accepting merchants. Kapag may mga kilala po kayong mga merchant, pwede nyo po kaming i-endorse, no? May it be kung meron na silang shop sa other platforms, baka gusto rin nila magkaroon dito sa amin. Okay? So that's it for tonight. Sir Rainer, I'll bring the mic to you again. Rainer, are you there?
Yes, Coach. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Coach Jervin. Thank you for coming. And guys, nakita na natin yung plans regarding the system, the platform, the vision, and everything. And we are very, very excited na mas mapalawak pa tong platform na to together with our CEO. Nakita niyo naman the dedication and everything, the plans, the vision, sobrang lalim sa Melon Plus, and sobrang swerte ng mga affiliates, lalo na sa early stage na to. Syempre, isa tayo sa unang nakakita ng platform na to, and kayo mismo makikita ninyo kung ano yung vision and plan ng company, and makikita niyo kung saan na ito papunta. Kaya again, panghawakan niyo lang yung mga plano ng ating CEO, yung vision ng CEO natin, at the same time together with the community, together with the affiliates. Alam natin soon enough, no, lahat ng mga plans na to, lahat ng mga vision na pinanggit kanina ni CEO, lahat ng to unti-unti natin maabot basta lahat tayo, no, nagte-take part and nagtutulungan na mapakilala tong opportunity na to sa maraming Pilipino. So again guys, sa mga susunod nating mga trainings, mga orientation, I hope na mas marami na tayo, and at the same time, mas mapalawak natin no, yung negosyong in-offer natin publicly. And days pa lang from now, sobrang nakakatuwa. Kitang-kita nyo naman na ang dami nang kumikita with the platform, and sobrang nakaka-excite kasi weeks by now, magkakaroon tayo ng mga awarding, magkakaroon tayo ng mga iba't ibang events na kung saan mag-gather yung mga affiliates, and sobrang nakaka-excite din na makita, no? Magkita-kita kayo personal, magkita-kita tayo ng personal, and syempre, mapapakita din natin sa mga ibang Pilipino na with Melon Plus opportunity, unti-unti ninyo naabot yung mga goals nyo with the platform. So, again, just be active and continue doing this kind of training at the same time sa pag-attend ng ating mga orientation and pag-promote ng platform, ng products, ng system and everything. And soon enough, no, magiging thankful ka sa sarili mo na buti na lang nakita mo si Melo Plus and nakita mo itong opportunity na to. And I hope na magkita-kita tayo soon guys together with our CEO. So, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat and have a good night everyone. Thank you, and thank you, CEO.
Thank you, Ren. Thank you,
guys.
everyone. Thank you.